Welcome to all dear students. In today's lecture is related to last point of evolution of organizational behavior. Let's we continue organizational behavior. The human relations movement thus started, continued and flourished for a long time. Some practitioners began to emphasize the big smile, being nice to people and keep them happy, while subtly trying to manipulate employees. Means what, dear students? Here is given the human relation movement thus started. When the human relation movement started and it is continue and flourish, means grown up for a long time. Some practitioners began to emphasize, means some researchers started to emphasize, means focus the big smile, being a nice to people, means for the employee they want to being a nice to people, okay, and keep them happy, to employee keep them happy, while subtly trying to manipulate employees. Means what? Subtly in the sense what, at the micro level means बारकाईने trying to manipulate employee, means handle to the employee. Means in this para what given the information, when human relations movement started and continue and it is grown up for a long time, some practitioners began to give emphasis on to bigger smile on employee and keep them happy and being nice to them, okay, and this is for handle nicely employed organization. This is a try of the practitioners, okay. These things done at the organization. In course of time, the term human relations lost its flavor, although it continues to be used, especially at the operating level, because of its appropriateness. As the field became more mature and research based, the new term that arose to describe it was organizational behavior. Experts trace this development to the late 1950s and early 1960s, okay. This para reveals the information about how organizational behavior term arouse, okay. In course of time, the term human relation, when human relation term is working, lots its flavor, means there is a spread out of that human relation, it is a good, although it continues, तरी पण ते कंटिन्यू टू बी यूज्ड इन especially at the operating level. It is used human relation in a where operating level because of its appropriateness, means perfectness, okay. As the field become more mature, when this human relation become a mature and research based, the new term that arose to describe it was what? Organizational behavior. Means human relation, this concept when mature and more research based, that time the new concept is introduced, is that organizational behavior. Experts trace this development to be the, when it is traced, late 1950s and early 1960s, okay. Next we go ahead. Organizational behavior has made considerable strides since 1960s, although there have been occasional steps backward as well. Managers increasingly recognize the value of human resources and strive to better understand people and their role in complex organization and competitive business situations. This realization has come from the subject is organizational behavior. Okay, in this para the history reveals organizational behavior has made considerable strides since 1960s. Means what? Organizational behavior has made what? A step ahead. Strides means what? A lots of year it is continue ahead. Okay, from when? Since 1960s. Okay, although there have been a occasionally step backward as well. Means what? There is a no more steps to backward, it goes and ahead. Okay, managers is increasingly recognize the value of human resources. Means in an organization there are managers and they increasingly means what? Highly know or highly understand the value of human resource, because human resources are important, and strive to better understand people and their role in complex organization and competitive business situation. Strive means what here? To in the Marathi, what you are trying, prayatna to better understand people and their role in a complex organization and competitive business situation. This relation has come from the subject organizational behavior. In short, what? Through the organizational behavior, what? Managers are understand the value of human resources, and they are trying to better understand people and the role in a complex organization and competitive business situation. Okay, and this study in done this subject, and this subject is introduced to academic. Okay, and the title of that subject is what? Organizational behavior. In next lecture we'll learn the definition, significance and characteristics of organizational behavior. Thank you.